Hey, do you live in an HOA or a multi-family community and want to replace your heating and air conditioning system? Well, we here at Thompson AC are accustomed to the lengthy process that can be involved, from the paperwork to choosing the right equipment that meets the association's decibel level requirements, dimensional. I mean, heck, I've even worked in associations where they require a specific color of the AC unit, down to visual screening and even hiring lawyers to rewrite the CC&Rs for your specific unit. We are here to help. On this job site, we're installing a new split system ducted heat pump that's inverter driven and variable capacity. The unit's going to be whisper quiet, which is absolutely critical in situations like this because very frequently the unit's installed just outside of a bedroom or very close to neighbors, and you don't want those neighbors to be complaining. So homes like this, they are all unique. Even though it looks cookie cutter, we have the solutions and the experience to get you what you need in a timely manner at the right price point. Thompson AC, hit us up. We're here to help.